Please introduce yourself.
My name is Prapti, and I am a Solana super dev. Got into the top 10% after 8 weeks, intense 8 weeks. And right now I'm at Ahmedabad, at Startup Village, organized all by Solana and Super Team India.
So, when did you started Web3 and how did you enter into Web3?
So I would say as soon as my third year of Bachelor's of Technology ended, I kind of was looking to get into uh, Web3, and I started with learning Solidity at first because I thought of going into Ethereum as it had a lot of developers already. So then, but I started learning Rust also side by side. Eventually, an application of Solana Fellowship was I mean one of my friend actually sent me that, and I just applied for it, and eventually I got into it, started learning Solana. And then a lot of concepts, difficult concept I would say, like indexer, even Rust, advanced concept like macros, smart pointers, etc. Then private key management, uh, uh, central limit order book, marketplaces, etc. So yeah, and then I started exploring blocks and everything, and then yeah, I'm a
Yeah. So, when you started, what was the hardest part?
harder parts I would say or the jargons, because
Yeah.
see, when you are coming from a web 2 background, I did it for 3 years, around almost 3 years. So if you are actually coming to web 3, there'll be hundreds of jargons every day you'll be seeing on Twitter, and you won't be knowing ki what all these are about. So it starts, you should start slow. There is a handbook by Eki blockchain for Solana specifically, so you can like read it to understand the jargons. Also you can be active on Twitter, that also helps. Eventually in 3-4 months only you will be knowing I mean almost everything, not everything, I mean all the jargons that are necessary to talk each other, maybe to talk to somebody in, who is into this ecosystem already.
Okay. So, what advice you would like to give to someone who is just going to start with the Web3?
Yeah, so if you are starting, I would say just start with the programming language. Maybe if you are looking into getting into Ethereum, you should start with Solidity. If it's about Solana, you should start with Rust. And because base is very important. If you don't know any programming language, there's no point to anything. And you can also know and can also learn full stack development. That is also fine because that is needed everywhere. It's not just related to web 2. And then eventually you can go to learning the program model, the mental model of the blockchain, and understand how blockchain works, and then eventually you will take off from there.
Yeah. So, it was great talking to you. Thank you.